Hello everyone, it's Miyako. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna make Irimochi. Let's get started. I'd like to introduce Kochi's food culture and Mugwort. Kochi prefecture has a unique food culture. They treat luxury dishes from the mountains and the sea with large plates. Give it not only to friends and neighbors, but also to passing strangers. Japanese mugwort has been used as a panacea for a long time. The reason for using this is to hope that the family is healthy. Please look at these ingredients and directions. First of all, let's prepare ingredients. Divide the Anko into 30 grams and put it in the fridge. Add a squeezing juice of Mugwort to Shiratama-ko. When it becomes a texture like your earbud, put the Mugwort and knead well. Cut the dough into cake flour. Put water in little by little and mix the dough evenly. The dough is divided into 6 equal sections. Let's wrap the Anko. Stretch the dough with a flat hands. Put the Anko in the middle, wrap it, and finally stretch it flat. Bake both sides in a fry pan for 3 or 4 minutes. It's done! It can be frozen. Please heat it in the microwave before eating. Thank you for watching to the end. Please subscribe and hit the good button. Where's our next trip? Bye bye!